Here we are, guys. This is for our eBay listing. This is our AC adapter with hidden camera. I'm going to throw it open the box and we'll see what we've got inside. So inside the box you have quick start guide for the Pro iCam app, the AC adapter itself. We also have a couple of other adapters if you happen to be in another country. There's also a micro SD card adapter, so if your micro SD card that you get for the unit doesn't come with the adapter, you can use this and plug your micro SD card in the back and away you go. The AC adapter itself does have a micro SD card slot. By removing this port at the back here, you get access to the micro SD card slot, and that's where it will be inserted, just under there. Thank you.